Good evening and welcome back to weather. Here is that twirling precipitation system that did some mischief in our area. It is now behind us, literally, and to the west, and more so now moving to the south, another precipitation system that probably isn't going to make it here. There's some dissipation in the northern portion of that system. So we are hopeful for more weather like this eventually, and then maybe warmer. Our high temperatures 74 in Decatur and Danville today, 70 here in Charleston. Our current temperatures actually for overnight tonight, we're going to have lows near 49 under partly cloudy skies and mostly calm as the winds are dissipating. Futurecast for tomorrow morning, thin clouds starting, then becoming thicker clouds by afternoon. That will affect our temperatures, and here's how that happens. We start out in the morning with those thin clouds, and with the sun, our temperatures quickly raise 10 degrees from 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. and then kind of stall out near the 70-degree mark, topping out at 74 degrees late in the afternoon. And again, those thin clouds becoming thicker clouds. That's the primary reason. This one's all about the sunshine, and thank goodness we have more than 14 hours of sun at this point in time in the season. 5:47 for sunrise tomorrow morning and sunset a little bit before 8 o'clock. Now, we're needing more sunshine. This is farmland near Janesville, Illinois, and as you can see, a ditch is overflowing, so our farmers need the sunshine for the drying off of the farmland, essentially, this time of year. And we are going to have that sunshine, including not only Wednesday, but Thursday through Saturday. We're going to have sunshine and moderate high temperatures, 67, 65, and 70 for our approximate highs as we take care of business in more ways than one. In fact, we've got a lot of business going on this week, including Eastern Illinois University graduation Saturday and then Mother's Day on Sunday. Look at our average extremes for this time of year, a high of 75 and a low of 52 degrees. We will be somewhat within those norms, although we do stall out a little bit on Thursday and Friday back down into the 60s and overnight lows in the upper 40s. But eventually, and these temperatures are going to be here to stay, we do warm up toward the end of this 7-day forecast. And in fact, if you look a little more closely at what the National Weather Service is telling us and what the Climate Prediction Center is telling us, there is a second week forecast out now, and it looks something like this. It calls for above average high temperatures for that week 2, which essentially is the middle of May, and you know what that means. Temperatures are going to do what they're supposed to do, and again, beach season is really just a week away or so.